Ever wondered what would happen if Minecraft Steve suddenly found himself dropping from the battle bus? Let's build Fortnite, Minecraft style. First, we need to flatten out a huge area. Think Pleasant Park, but blockier. Grab your cobblestone and start outlining the basic shapes of buildings. Remember, Fortnite architecture is a bit Euro unconventional, so don't be afraid to get creative with your block placement. Think square, but make it stylish. Roofs are tricky, sloped blocks are your friend here. Use upside-down stairs and slabs to mimic those iconic Fortnite angles. Don't worry if it's not perfect, Minecraft's limitations are part of the charm. Now for the Fortnite flair, colorful wool blocks are perfect for recreating logos, window trim, and those most important loot chests. Think bright pink, vibrant blue, and eye-catching yellow to really sell the Fortnite feel. Time to stock up, fill those chests with the best Minecraft loot you can find: diamond swords, enchanted bows, and maybe even a few healing potions. Remember, a well-stocked house is key to survival. Finally, slap on your best Fortnite-inspired skin and get ready for some Blocky battle royale action. This Minecraft Fortnite fusion is a blast to play with friends. So grab your pickaxe and prepare for some victory royales, Minecraft style.